Yes, very good. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ivana Fernandez here. Hope you all are doing well. I'm doing absolutely good. Welcome to another vlog with me. Maybe this is going to be a weekend vlog, never know, because today is Saturday evening and right now Cruz is over there. Okay, so me and my mom, both of us are going to do some shopping because we are going somewhere next week, so you will get to know later on. So we had to purchase some of the basic things, so we'll be going to Zudio to check if there is some good collection and grab. These are like basically the daily wear that we wanted, so we are checking out there. And then I think here and there little chores we have got to do. Also today is RCB and CSK's match, so we have to be back home early. Hopefully we get back home early, so let's go. Bye Cruz. Bye bye. There is one more doll over here. Bye Jinu. Bye bye. Yes, very good girl. Bye. And my mom is waiting. She will shortly screw me. Bye Callie. Bye. And now it's time to go. Let's go. And my brother is sleeping, you guys. He's having his exam tomorrow, and in spite of that, he's least bothered and is sleeping. He was watching. In the morning, me and my mom, we attended a wedding. So that time, my brother didn't attend it with us, but then he woke up late. He prepared some delicious chicken, some dish which me and my mom also ate, and then now he's back to sleep. We have come to the Zudio that is at KS Rao Road, and first we came to shop in the men's section because this is less crowded as compared to the women's. Women's is completely packed. So we thought we will shop here, and also the collection of women is great. Like as soon as I entered the store, I saw some pretty stuff, but I'm clearly warned not to buy it. So I won't be buying. So we are buying for my brother and my dad now, but I'll be doing a haul kind of thing, like showing you guys once I am back home, and won't be vlogging here because here at least it's fine, but down it's completely crowded and there are people all over. So maybe if they are not fine with it, I can go literally in between the crowds and vlog. So yeah.
3 hours later.
Just reached home, guys, and I know I have to give you a haul video, but then before that, the important thing is this match over here. I quickly came and switched on the TV, but the match began that time. Oh shit, it started raining.
Maybe Chennai are not
So,
overly unhappy.
Amma Porton Pausuma.
Will trudge off now. Let's hope they can get
It began that time. We were there. I was watching it online. Then it began to rain. So it was a break. But then the match began again. But yet again it's raining, guys. What a disappointment. Hopefully it stops raining. What do you say? Will it stop?
No.
Don't say like that, dude. Why are you being so negative?
Yeah, it should rain heavily.
Why? What do you know about cricket?
I don't know anything.
Yeah, then why are you so negative? Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed, hoping for the best. Actually, the thing is, it didn't rain again. It rained once. So now the match is going on. I guess because.
So it rains heavily.
Hey, you keep your mouth shut, man. Then what happened was, it was not the main this thing. From outside itself, I was watching it, so it was showing me the rain part. But yeah, now I'm not going to vlog. Maybe we'll see what happens. I'm just peacefully watching the match, and then the end decision, we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed. My mom's darling son has called her in between the match.
Ule ire tonda kai ire sama.
Yeah, just keep going through.
Kona gada camera.
Hi, Chris.
Ale siyo na manda hi Chris.
We are enjoying without you. Chris, Chris. RCB CSK. RCB की CSK आज. नहीं रे. Whom I am supporting? You are in Chennai, no? No, you are in Chennai, no? So whom are you supporting? Yes, very
Julo
good.
ide?
Sharp. the match. The match is finally done, you guys. It was the match, like absolutely the match. So good. Like so many twists and turns, but finally RCB has qualified. I've also recorded my reaction. In fact, our reaction, but I am not really sure if I'll post it because when I literally watched the first half, I was like, what is it? Like literally, me myself, I was in so shock, and the footage is so weird. Like I am screaming like my lungs out. He's screaming his lungs out.
I am roaming around.
He's roaming around. I am jumping. All you can see is me jump, me fall, me bite my nails, and all of this. And I started to, actually record it exactly when Dhoni's wicket went. So the moment the ball was caught, and here I switched on the video. It was like exact moment, but what a match it was, guys. It was on RCB side, which went to CSK side, and then finally I think the catch of Duplessis was like so. It was like chumma, like for his age, like hats off. So it was, and you won't believe the way I have screamed, especially my parents, like they watched the match for some time and they went upstairs to sleep. So the way I screamed, they came downstairs like, as to what happened, because they literally told me I sounded as if I was being killed. But that Josh, that vibe, oh my god, I still can't believe. Anyway, everything that's happened has happened for good. Now fingers crossed for the next match, guys, and it's already 12:30 now. We are supposed to wake up early tomorrow for the mass. I have to go, have shower, wash my hair, sleep. Yeah, that's it. And I'll be continuing this vlog for tomorrow as well. And also the Hall of Studio, I will please do it tomorrow. I mean, it will be in this video only because now I literally have no energy. And it seems like I'm losing my voice for some reason. Yeah, and the amount of views, oh my god. I think it's something like a record-breaking views of 49.2 CR on Jio Cinemas. The views just began here. It just went so this way. Anyway, I can feel my throat hurt now. It's like actually hurting. Yeah, it's actually hurting a lot for the scream that I gave, for the shoutings, for the yellings and everything, guys. I don't know. I am really shy to post my reaction video now. Let's see what happens, guys. Good night for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
The next day.
Hello guys, welcome to my Sunday, the part 2 of the same vlog. And all of us went to church, attended mass, and now we are on our way to have breakfast. And I am so sleepy that I'm surviving literally on 3 hours of sleep. This is something new to me, because even though I sleep late, I wake up late. But today waking up so early was something impossible, and I was constantly yawning during the mass. So I definitely need some sleep once I'm back home. Now we have come to Hotel Karthik to have our breakfast, and let's enjoy our breakfast. Usually this place is a lot crowded, guys, but today I think we are here early because this dude over here has got his exam. What is that? Competitive entrance exam.
What is it?
No. No. What did he say, man? What? What 1 minute ka content? Oh my god. And the reason why we never got place over here because we came early. Sorry, not came early. We used to always come late over here. And the reason for being late is this person who is a chatterbox. But today, because my brother had exam, he had no other choice but to come early, which definitely benefited us in getting the space. Say what? Why you crying, bro? Hey, who's ne tuja baile sidole? Kale?
Na, the shady, na, shady.
Cha, kaldada baile siduka pus. Ud, how prepared are you for your exam?
Yesterday match play rane.
The only preparation he has done is by watching yesterday's match, and he didn't even print his hall ticket. He got it printed today morning. That's how his preparation is. And yeah, it's going to be the same thing tomorrow as well. Now he's watching some RCB update. So tomorrow, I mean, for the exam also he'll be writing the same thing.
लेट कन कथा लगता लेट उठी
Kale?
लेट कन कथा लगता
Slow eater. The slow eater always gets her food late. Dada odlo. Cheers. कोणा तू हांगा हाय केले बाहेर कोणी आयली ओळखीची आयले मातशे तुप डोसा. How do you feel, man, without Chris?
Missing him a lot.
Missing him. Actually, the vibe without him is completely different. It is घर सुना सुना लगता है. नहीं तो बक बक करते रहता है. No use of asking him. Where will he be at home? I have to ask mom one day. कशा आहे रे? समा का मागीर एग्जाम बरें करून बरें देता है. पोट भरून का मागीर वचून न्ही ते.
ಇವರು ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗಂಡ
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅದು ಎರಡು ಮರಿ.
So guys, finally it's time to show what all. Finally I got the time to show you guys what all we got from Zudio yesterday. So I will quickly just show you guys. It's more for my dad, like t-shirts, shorts, and for my brother. So this one pretty colored, what is this? Some green t-shirt for rupees 199. It's cool. I guess even I can wear. Oversized t-shirt.
Even you can wear.
I will grab everyone's clothes and
Yeah.
wear. I will style it in the best way possible. Very comfortable.
Yeah, because your cupboard is empty, no?
See, I can wear, bro. I will ask Dad if it doesn't fit him. No, then I can wear.
It fits. Don't worry. Yeah.
Then that was for 199, and I think there is one more of the same range.
Which one? 199 only one I bought.
Only one you got. Okay, then these are for 399. So the different thing about this is that there
Material
is
is very good.
Material is very good. It's soft and there is some kind of texture. So that's the reason it's 399. It's very good. See, pretty colors. This one, and this is again some kind of texture. It is in different color. Again, it is for rupees 399. And it's of my dad's size, which is more like, actually I should have thought yesterday of buying these for me.
Yeah.
I realize now.
Why you don't have enough of clothes?
It's very comfortable.
Why?
And this is my papa's shorts, which is for 599. Actually, the shorts, I think this was the last piece that we found. No?
Yeah.
In XL, rest of them.
It's XL or double XL?
In
It's double XL.
Yeah, in double
Yeah,
XL.
only one piece was there.
Yeah, only one piece was there. XL wasn't there, and then S and M also. In shorts, I mean, it was most of the pieces got sold out, and this is for Chris, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is for Chris, his shorts. It is for 299. And one more thing is that wherever you go, the kids section, the price will be more as compared to the elders. I don't know why is it so. So this is his shorts, and again you've got, this is a very pretty color. I mean the textured one, unique color, bright colors. And to pair this, we have got this. What is this sleeveless t-shirt? Shando Banir. A very good one.
T-shirt.
The color is very good. I think for this it is 179. Good one. I can wear this. But
Yeah.
it's very
You
fit.
can wear. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how we saw that.
You want each and everything.
See, I can wear everyone's.
Even if I bring clothes for dog, even that you want.
Yeah, guys. Actually, that's the truth. And that's all we have. This is the last one, and few of them are like other stuff that we got, not from Zudio. We just stuffed it inside.
Yeah, that is innerwear. See.
That was, our private things, not supposed to show. So this is again for 139. Pretty cool t-shirts. Yeah, so that's it. And I think today do we have to go again?
Yeah.
Because actually, my mom tried few stuff, but then the thing was, it was not fitting her. But the line for the trial room, it was so long, like.
No,
Uh,
there was no line.
The person wasn't there, but then it was.
No.
There, as compared to men's section, how was women's section?
Women, men's section. We went to women's section.
Yeah.
Yeah. ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ರೂಮ್ nobody were there.
Women's section ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ದೇನಮ್ಮ?
ನಾ ಕಲಿಯಸಿಲ್ಲತೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
Why were people standing out?
I don't know, you gotta ask them.
And she went. Her side we didn't find this stuff. For her the thing was the actual
32
size,
was too tight and
32 was
34 was
34 was more tight. Same
34 was more tight. What are you speaking?
More loose. The same case with me. Have I lost weight, guys? Like 28 is my size. I mean, usually I wear 28, but to be on the comfortable side, I checked for 30. So 28 is like a bit tight. 30 is loose. I don't know what am I supposed to wear. Same thing happens with tops. Like keeps on changing. Anyway, my mom didn't find anything because of her size issue. Let's see if we can find something today. Do we have to go again?
Yeah, you sponsor, okay.
Yeah, we go and I buy some t-shirts. Yeah, very cool chick. घर पर डालने के लिए देखो ऐसे टाइट नहीं डालने का, सब लूज चाहिए. खिला खुला
Wear dad's t-shirts. Go. Shirts are there.
Shirt is too much of Chal, we'll get back to our work. Now I have to sweep, mom has to wash clothes, and for lunch we have
Yeah.
we are going to adjust with whatever. Actually, I didn't share. Yesterday, my dad had prepared some good Tyson sukka, which was better than what we get in restaurants. I didn't share anything because the recipe. One was because of the stress that I was watching the match with, and already.
Hey, we came late no yesterday.
And one more thing was, by the time we came, we had already finished at least cooking. But while having food, I didn't share because I was like, मेरा तो ध्यान इस पर.
Which one? Ispar means what?
इस पर मतलब वो जियो सिनेमा में जो हो रहा था ना 50 crore views उस पर चल रुको चल कट Hi Chris boy is back home. Welcome back. ಭಾವತ್ತಿನ ಅಪ್ಪಳಿಗಿ ಭಾವತ್ತಿನ ಗೊರೋದಲ್ಲ ಇರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ fair. Get up, man. What? No. Did you tell me? How was yours? How was yours?
मारिया का तुझे दिखायला था
काल रे वही I like all that.
अरे गाना पुन्हा कधी मुळे देखो नाही
Should have stayed there only. Ama.
एक्चुअली ते 24/7 नहीं है एसी
They can.
बरे
Hey. So you don't want it?
shut up
You look cute, bro.
shut up
Oh, shut up.
Ugly.
I am ugly. No problem.
at least a Bruce face
How
is
was-
better than yours
How was your 2-day, 3-day short trip? How was it meeting your sister? Nice.
what's
Go.
better is seeing this thing
What? Give me my phone back. Enough.
get out
Go. Did you have shower? Huh? Then
I have to go
go. You look cute, yeah.
see my sister Chapri YouTube short
Chal. We have to go now. Oi.
Chapri
What chapri?
कहीं हो सो
Tuka gala. Tuka na. Do not do that. Do not kick your sister.
problem
Yes. Perfect timing. Done. Okay, bye. The boys are left at home and me and my mom are again back to go and find a footwear for me. It is very difficult. I'm not finding the type that I want. I mean, very Zudio ones are good. So, but yet I wanted something that is very like closed types, not open types. So, if not anywhere, then I think Zudio will be the last option. And also we have to buy school footwear for Chris. So first we are going to his place, and if I find something there, we'll see what happens. It is all gloomy, like even since morning it's been like this, and for like few minutes it was sunny, but now it is completely cloudy. Me and my mom are just hoping that till we reach home it shouldn't rain, because if we have to go to the Hampankatta side, then it will be really difficult. And we are in full confidence that it will not rain. Hopefully it does not. Guess what? didn't find anything. Like first it was for my brother's footwear, we didn't find, so we came to Zudio, opposite side. And my side, I didn't find anything. So now the plan is to go to Forum Mall Studio, so that if
Now
I
the
don't...
plan is to stay here.
Yeah, now the plan is to stay here and wait for the rain to stop. But then go to Forum Mall Studio, and in case we don't find anything there because we have Spar or any other shop to search. But I think we can leave, it's not raining anywhere.
तू बिस्ता है ना मैं
हाँ?
बिस्ते आवे
Yeah, hey bro,
कर ले
it
वो।
almost stopped.
काले स्टॉप द पड़े थे
Koi?
बिस्ते आवे
Piri piri. Piri piri pausi. I called my brother because I kept my shoes out for drying. I had washed them today. So it's like it's not raining over there. I don't know why did it have to rain here now. My mom, Monday bitcha happening. Why happening? Tension in Monday bitcha. Why bro, Monday bitcha? So, let's
Time
just
is
wait. Why time is precious. But whatever, I'm happy it didn't rain for RCB's match. What work do you have? You tell me, I will do. Okay. You tell your sons, two of them who are at home.
संसा की संता तू काय संता
So they will nicely do all of your work. You keep your home neat and tidy. Piri piri etama. It's an end to this vlog, guys. I know today I hadn't vlogged a lot, but sorry for that. Still, I managed to put together the vlog. So if you did like this vlog, then make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please keep showing your love the same as you guys always do. I will meet you guys in another interesting vlog. Until then, bye bye.